So welcome to this video tutorial on how to edit pages within the NZAP website. So this is just about editing existing web pages, not creating new pages. That will be covered in a separate video tutorial. So here we are on the home page, and the first thing we need to do is just check that we're logged in. We can do that by just seeing that we are in the top black bar. Now there's a couple of ways to edit the pages. First of all, you've got on this black bar here, if you have edit page rights for the page that you're viewing, you'll see an edit page. You'll also see when you're logged in, this edit button will appear on pages that you can edit. So the task that we're just going to do now is to make some changes to the NZAP regions page. So we click on the link, come across to this page, and you'll see once more we've got the edit capacity here. So let's just click on edit. And once we go into edit page, then we'll see that we're now in the WordPress backend or WordPress CMS area. This is the back end of the website. Now there's a whole bunch of stuff down here that we can basically ignore. This is all technical details that we don't need to worry about. When it comes to editing page content, we are just looking at this box and this box here. So what we can see is that these underlined things are all links across to the particular content pages. Now to view a link, if we just click on that, we can insert or edit the link, or we can remove the link. So let's just click on edit link, and you can see there's the URL, and if we want to change the link, then we can click on link to existing content and scroll through all the existing pages on the website to create a new internal link. So at any point, if we need to create a link, we simply highlight the text, click link, insert the page we want to link. Or to break a link, remove the link, we just click on that. So we don't want to change any of these links. We've just got a couple of edit jobs to do. First of all, the branch name should be not Dunedin but Otago and Southland. So let's go here and we can just change this. Now, the easiest way to change an existing link is just to actually type within the existing link the new text and then delete the old text, and that maintains the link. If we want to replace that completely, we can. We then just have to recreate the link, but that's the easiest way. You'll notice I just clicked in the middle of the word, typed the new phrase, removed the old letters. So do we need to do any other edits on this page? Canterbury, not Christchurch. Okay, so again, just click in the word and Canterbury, and then just delete that. Okay, those are the only edits we need to make within that. So what we can do, once we've made the changes we need, we've got a few options. First of all, at any time we can preview the changes. So this takes us to a special preview view of how the changes that we haven't saved yet will look. So this is how they will look. Second, it will open in a new tab, click. What we can also do is click back to view the live page. But we don't want to do that because we're going to lose those changes. So the most important thing we need to do is update the page. Once we've previewed the changes, we're happy with the changes, we click update, and that saves, and now those changes are now live. Okay, so let's go, and to go back to the live page, we've got two options here to view page. So let's go back to view page. So the next change we needed to make was Otago and Southland, change the convener name. So let's click on Otago and Southland, and we can see here that these details are out of date. So the next really easy thing with editing in WordPress is we can copy, Control C, that text, edit page, just overwrite and Control V for paste and drop that in. Format that how we want it formatted, and you'll notice WordPress has automatically formatted the text correctly. It scrubs the text, we don't have to do anything, we can paste it straight across from Word, and you'll also notice that this is underlined, so it's a link. So what it's also done is it's maintained the email, mail to, email address link that we brought across from Word. So again, let's preview changes. We can see here name's changed, and we've got a nice email link there now as well. So close the preview tab, update. View page, which takes us back to the live website, and we can see there's our changes. And if we click on that mail to link now, it will open as an email. There we go. So just bring that back to here. Now we've got a couple more changes we need to make. Let's just make one more before we finish this tutorial video. Hawke's Bay, the conveners are. So let's copy that content, and if we go back to NZAP regions, Hawke's Bay branch, edit page, again, highlight, paste. Then we just have to format it so that we're happy with how it looks. Change that to conveners. Now I might just move this email address here, cut that, paste it next to Cal's name. Just tidy that up a bit. There we go, we can preview those changes. So you can see there we've got those nice mail to links. That's all good to go. Close the preview. Might just drop that down, preview that again, just see how that looks. Yep, that looks a bit tidier. And update to save those pages to the live page. Let's just double check that on the view page. There we go. So you can see basic page edits are pretty straightforward, particularly being able to cut and paste them directly across from Microsoft Word without any need to change the format or do anything particularly tricky. The main thing is to just keep checking the preview, and once you're happy then click update for those changes.